Okay, it's running.
Okay. All right, my dear. Here you go. Now you can walk. All right.
What you got, baby? Oh, what a good boy you are. Look at you taking pictures. Oh, that's wonderful. That's really wonderful that you can do that. It's really wonderful.
Straighten it up.
Otherwise, you're going to get just
Want some
bigger.
treats? Want some treats?
Come on, it's a hook.
Can we get your treats? Come here, Minnie. Come here.
One
Come
treat.
here, Minnie.
You want to be your bed?
Come here, Minnie.
No, no.
Come here. Wait, come here. Come here. Stop. Can we get your treats? Okay. What treats do we have?
They're in the utility room.
Wow, look at you, little boy.
He goes to jump. The weight of it might pull him.
No, he won't jump. It's just bringing him a treat. What does Insta have here?
He's never had a collar on, so he has to get used to it.
Kenny, do you want to try this? Try this? Oh, which hand? Oh, no, which hand? Is this the one?
Oh.
Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, I didn't like that.
See, now what? Now what? Is that yours? Here. All right. You want to take it into your bed? Do you want to take that into your bed? Here you go. All right. Here we go. Come on over here. Come on.
Beautiful day today.
It was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was very nice. Oh, I see. You look very handsome.
Let's see it.
Look at how handsome you look. Wow.
Wow.
You're a handsome boy.
Where's your treat?
You're a handsome boy, Pete.
Did you eat your treat?
Over
Oh, it's over there.
Which one is my milk?
Oh, it's over there. The
Rachel.
one that's full. The bigger one. Here.
Can I have your cookie? Mama, give Mama your cookie. Give Mama your cookie. You're not going to get any of that.
So how was the beach? Were there a lot of people at the beach?
Not as many. Because it was kind of chilly at the lake.
Okay. So that's what we're going to
And then the beach was closed today. The highway.
What the heck is going on here?
okay.
What the heck is going on here?
Come here.
Go, Rich. Go. Go, 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 go.
Come here, Minnie. Come here. Come here. Bring it. Bring it.
Sister, I gotta think about the situation. I don't know. Oh, he's gonna take that. Okay.
He's eating his treat now.
Something else.
He's such a good boy.
This guy is something else. I don't know how interesting that's going to be for viewers, but I don't know. How are you doing over there?
My first wife was the second cook in a third-place joint on 4th Street.
Also, she is just busy organizing stuff for herself.
Yeah, and Casey came. Casey stopped by. She's on her way tonight to go see Frankie Avalon. Frankie Avalon, or
I don't know if they're there.
he's at
Singer.
Ravinia tonight. Yeah, so
Oh.
her and her girlfriends were going to see him.
At my house.
But that's nowhere near your house.
Ravinia?
Well, that's not you.
That's not your house. What are you talking
It's
about?
about 15 minutes away. You know,
That's not true.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right.
Ravinia?
Yeah.
Oh, Penny.
That's your house. That's by
All right,
Glencoe
come here,
Beach.
come on.
That's by Glencoe Beach.
I meant the theater.
Oh, okay.
The Riviera Theater.
Oh,
Not Ravinia.
oh, no, not the Riviera.
It's probably a little chilly tonight, though.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Well, Peter, what do you think?
Still filming.
Okay.
Randy will crack up.
What do you think, huh? Is everybody?
Okay.
What are you looking at over here?
He ate his treat, so obviously it doesn't bother me anymore. He probably doesn't even know that he has that. He probably thinks it's his harness,
He
right?
probably loves salmon, right?
Oh, he likes salmon.
You want to try some? Do you want to try some? No. No? Okay. Then you won't have any. Okay. Well, what do you think, Rich? Should we turn it off and take this guy out of this, or?
He doesn't seem to mind it. We should do something more. To put one on that back
It
of
would
the
be
cheetah.
nice to do it outside, but I don't know how people will react to this.
Is this Tony?
Yeah, the Tony Awards.
Nobody really cares unless you're in New York.
Mm.
Yeah.
What do you think? No, I'm not interested. Sorry, he's not interested.
Yeah. You want some cake?
Yeah, we knew that. We knew that. All right, Pino. I think this is kind of boring.
You turn it off?
Yeah. Hold on. I'll let you turn the camera off, and then I'll take off the harness.